Well, earlier, Logan was creeping along the side of his pack and play, which is a pretty new thing for him. I've only seen him do it a couple times. Of course, now that the camera's out, he's not going to show off. Oh, maybe a little. There he goes. Hey, sweetie. You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job. Oh, pretty brave. One-handed. I moved his pack and play in front of the window over the weekend. Good move. Don't love it sitting in the middle of my kitchen, but he does last a little longer in it now. Hey, honey. Hey, sweetie. Are you so big? Huh? Are you so big? He sure likes that window. Hi, honey. Uh-oh, careful. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye to the camera. No, not Dada. Bye-bye. 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 Oh, taking the corner. Taking the corner. You're so brave. Good job. Hi, honey. Good job. There's my smiley little pumpkin. Hey. You're so handsome. Here's Big Brother working on a book report. Not nearly as fun as playing with the toy elephant in the pack and play. Jared would know. He was playing with the elephant yesterday. Tomorrow's a big day. Jared gets a staple out of his head. He's very excited. Such a fun age. All of a sudden he's camera shy. But cute.